Good morning. I will be honest, it is almost noon. I spent so much time doing other stuff, relaxing. I had a very hard day yesterday and I didn't want to just jump and do things. And I woke up at 7 and all this is being wasted playing computer games, but I'm okay. I feel better. So I will make my bed, clean my toilet, laundry, water plants like always. Then I need to shred paper, garbage, clean lamps. I will see which one, and declutter, and gardening. I think I will do the gardening first today because I already wasted a lot of the early morning. And look at this. All this has to be planted. They are so big. Yeah, they need to be on the soil and enjoy the real soil. So let me go to get first my laundry. Are we going to get the laundry? Yeah. One of the most important reasons why I need to first do the laundry part is because I really don't have a lot of pants and shirts, and you will notice that I hardly ever have a different shirt on, and I like it that way. I don't like to have a lot. So I have like these workout pants. I have a few of them. A lot of them look similar, so I look also like I never change. And shirts, I have few, and you always see them on my videos, and I'm okay. But I need to be doing laundry very often. And as you can see, I've been doing since I've been doing gardening, a lot of the things got really dirty. The ones that I'm using every day, like pants, I use one time and then I change for another kind. 1 second there. I think it's too much light, sorry. Gets a reflection if you cannot see. And so now I have to get the ones that I wash already and put the one that I didn't wash and I use, so they get clean and I can keep going doing more and more laundry again. But today I have to do my work clothes first. This done from yesterday. And I will get the ones that are washed and continue doing this. How many projects I will have today? I think not too many. What do you say, Frosty? So I have my spreader, have my weight and feed. I need 3 3/4 for this. The instructions are here for this one, but I need to wet the soil before I apply. But first, also need to use my topsoil for the little holes that I create, removing the moss. So let's open these, get that one ready, and that will be. First is the state of the grass. So we will put a little of topsoil on this, just on the holes. It's not too many. Like those ones. Yeah, let's do that. We're getting a delivery of everything. That's so great. Finally. Blooming, they look so cute. So cute.